Yo, what up guys? It's your boy Crypto D bringing you a brand new cryptocurrency video. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Robinhood app for iOS and Android. But before I can get into that, if you haven't done so already, please drop a like or give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you have anything to say, please drop a comment down below. For those of you that don't know, Robinhood app is a platform where you can trade stock on the stock market and not have to pay any huge brokerage fees that big companies like E-Trade charge. Yesterday, Robinhood had a press release promising to list Bitcoin and Ethereum on their exchange, which has about 3 million users, to be able to buy it with fiat currency without incurring any fees that big exchanges like Coinbase charge. So how does Robinhood do this? Well, it plans to do this by limiting the number of daily transactions you can make and capping how much you can purchase at any given time. The Robinhood app also allows you to make the deposits into their platform, and with those deposits, it actually makes interest payments, and that's how they're able to cover the fees. Robinhood released that they plan to break even with their cryptocurrency trading platform and aren't attempting to make any profit that will include a fee. Right now in the crypto space, there is already a Robinhood-like exchange called Robinhood, which has a similar name, which promises to do the exact same thing with their own coin, the Robinhood coin. Now, I've actually been paying attention to this coin for quite some time just because I know how successful Robinhood has been, and they actually employ a lot of people that used to work at big companies like Google and Microsoft. So definitely to keep an eye out for this currency, especially with this great news that Robinhood is planning to launch a cryptocurrency exchange. I really like the fact that we're actually getting a big player like Robinhood to compete with Coinbase, because ultimately this is what's going to help drive the fees down by all big parties, and in order to maintain their current customer base. Right now, Robinhood has about 3 million users, which doesn't seem to compare a whole lot to Coinbase's 10 million users, but it's definitely a good start. This is also the beginning of institutional money from exchanges like this opening the doors for cryptocurrency. Who knows what's next? Maybe you'll see Bitcoin being listed on the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq pretty soon. Now, if you're interested in testing out Robinhood crypto, sign up for free. There is a waiting list, and by using the link down below, not only will you be enlisted into the Robinhood crypto line, but you'll also get a free stock like Apple or Microsoft once you've signed up. And that's all I've got for you today, guys. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.